Airspeed alive. 60.
My name's Scott Murphy. I'm an Australian who currently lives in Thailand. I got my private pilot's license a little over 20 years ago, back in '97. And I recently bought a N-registered aircraft and decided to keep it on the N-register, so therefore I needed to get my FAA instrument rating. And I decided to use these guys, 14-day pilot, to do that, and very happy I did, because I now have an instrument rating. One thing that was a surprise was that the FAA themselves are very responsive. I certainly had more trouble with my local Australian Civil Aviation Authority getting paperwork than with the FAA. The FAA have been great all the way through this. Pretty much all of the extra paperwork that needed to be done once they'd received it from CASA in Australia took maybe a couple of days, and that was about it. So that was great. No, otherwise, if you've never flown the US, it's 1,000 times better than flying anywhere else. I've flown in 2/3 of the countries in the world, and by and far, flying in the US is both easier and more convenient. So it's yeah, hence why we're keeping our aircraft on the N register and why I needed a license.